Hey there, I'm Garrett from the Software Training Lab, and today we're going to go over how to use a Photoshop file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's say that you have a design in Photoshop like this landscape of a cow with an alien spaceship. There are a few different ways that I can bring in this file so we can manipulate it in Premiere. If you just want your final image to be usable in Premiere, I would just go to File, Export, and use a PNG or a JPEG, imported as a regular picture. However, for Premiere, if I want to use all of these layers, we can do something a little different. Let's set the scene. We're on a farm. There's an alien spaceship that's about to come and abduct this cow. Terrifying. All right, now that my file is set up how I want, I'm going to save and move over to Premiere. Back in Premiere, I'm going to use Control-I to import my Photoshop file. When I do that, you'll see that it gives me some options for importing. I can import everything as one merged layer. This essentially creates one image asset for Premiere. However, whenever I make changes to the original file and save it, those should be updated. We can also choose specific layers to join the merge. Let's say I don't want the background, I only want everything else. I can merge that as one picture. The next option is where things get a little more interesting. We can choose individual layers to maintain all of the layers from our original document, and this lets us manipulate them all individually here in Premiere. So I'm going to select all of them and choose OK. With all my layers imported individually, I now have a folder, and I can place them all on the timeline one at a time to rebuild our image, working from the ground up. So I'll start with my background, then my barn, cow, the tractor beam, and the spaceship. Right now, this might not seem all that exciting. However, in our next video, we'll go over how we can use individual layers to create a quick animation.